So facial paralysis is not just about your appearance and smile. It can really impact your day-to-day life, both emotionally and physically. So let's break it down. Hi, I'm Dr. Babak Azizzadeh. I'm a facial plastic surgeon and a facial nerve expert in Los Angeles, California. And oftentimes when we say facial paralysis, the first thing that comes to mind is someone who can't smile. And that's certainly the biggest and number one issue that people are dealing with. But it can have an impact way beyond that. So let's go through kind of some of the emotional and physical impacts. Emotionally, it is devastating when your face is paralyzed and you cannot socialize the way that you used to socialize. People get withdrawn, they don't want to go out, they wear masks all the time, and it really, really psychologically, emotionally impacts people. And it is really, really heartbreaking and devastating. So one of the things I always tell all my patients is please see a psychotherapist, a therapist that can help you with that part. Because no matter how good we are as surgeons, there is an emotional component that still needs to be worked on. Second is the eye. And the eye can be just really, really significantly impactful. Dry eyes, inability to close your eyes, twitching for some people. For some people with synkinesis is actually narrowing, which impact vision. And for some people, if their eyes really become dry so much, the cornea can ulcerate and you can actually get blindness. And it is just so hard when you're constantly using drops and ointments or you're tearing nonstop. It is super impactful. The other aspect is articulation and actually drinking and using a straw in public. That in itself, a lot of people tell me they can't drink in public, they drool. It's like socially very embarrassing and physically just really, really damaging. And people, are afraid to eat. They're afraid to go out because of that. So it can impact speech, it can impact the way that we drink and eat food in public and in private. So beyond the smile, beyond our appearance, there are some very, very deeply challenging processes that people with facial paralysis are facing.